Hello everyone, this is Dr. Marrero from Math Topics. Today's video is about SAT questions. I know that we started this series in our channel and we explain some of the skills and techniques and test-taking strategies that you need to know and you need to master in order to succeed in the SAT test. We're going to continue with this playlist. And today, what we have is that question that you see there from algebra. It's a quadratic equation. And I'm going to tell you how to target, how to address this question in an easy way in order for you to save time for more difficult questions. Let's see how it goes. This question, a quadratic equation with a missing factor or a missing element, which is C, can be classified as a difficult question in the SAT test. And I'm going to tell you why. You need to have a foundation in algebra. You need to have a foundation in geometry. And you need to have a foundation in arithmetic in order to score more than 700 in the SAT math portion of the test. So the purpose of this video and all the videos of the series is that you as a student or you as a teacher can make possible that the students score more than 700, and you as a student, you can score more than 700. But I won't lie. You are going to have a foundation in algebra. You're going to have a foundation in geometry and a foundation in arithmetic, and that combination plus test-taking strategy is going to give you the path to succeed in the test. So let's dive into these questions. X squared minus 6x plus k equals 0 is a quadratic equation that has two distinct real roots. This is fundamental in that question. Two distinct real roots. Because what is a quadratic equation? It's a function, and it's a parabola. And imagine the parabola that is opening like this, and the coordinate system. So the parabola will be opening upward, downward, but also will be intersecting the x-axis twice or once, or never will intersect the x-axis. When they said two distinct real roots, what they're saying is the parabola is touching the x-axis twice. Find those numbers. Okay, I don't want to find those numbers. I want to find the missing number, k. But I know that I have an important formula in algebra that I learned in Algebra 1 that tell you how many solutions or how many roots or how many real roots the parabola has. I'm talking about the discriminant formula. And I know that when the discriminant is greater than 0, the parabola has two real roots, or the equation has two solutions, real solutions. When the discriminant is 0, the parabola is only touching the x-axis once, and you only have one real root. But when the discriminant is less than 0, negative, the parabola is not touching the x-axis. We don't have real root solutions, we have complex solutions. Let's work with this powerful tool. So you have the discriminant here, D, is greater than 0, two solutions. Equals 0, only one solution. Less than 0, no solution. The discriminant formula is b squared minus 4ac. I know that I have all the elements except c because y equals ax squared plus bx plus c is the standard forms of the equation, of the quadratic equations. A is the coefficient of the x squared, b is the coefficient of the middle term, and c is, in this case, the constant, or k. So you come over here and you know that b is negative 6, a is 1, and c, in this case, will be k, that I don't know it. But it's crucial to find it. So now substitute the values into the formula. B squared is negative 6 to the power of 2 minus 4 times 1 times k, because I don't know k. K is, in this case, c. D is negative 6 to the power of 236. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4k. And this is the discriminant. But I know that 36 minus 4k is greater than 0 because they say it in the question, the two distinct real roots. So I'm going to solve this inequality. Simple. I subtract 36 from both sides of the inequality. I have negative 4k greater than 0 minus negative 36 is negative 36. I divide by negative 4 on both sides, but I reverse the symbol because I'm dividing by a negative number, so k is a number less than 9. And the only solution less than 9 in my choices is B, 8. Done. Move to the next question. Super easy. But how can I know all of this? Because you need to study SAT. You need to study the elements of the test. You need to study the fields that the test cover. You need to watch the series here in math topics. Because if you don't have that foundation in algebra, you don't know that foundation in geometry, because remember what I was saying two roots, I was saying two zeros, I was saying that the parabola is touching twice. It's because I'm combining at the same time, facing the same question as you, three important fields of the mathematics, the most powerful fields in mathematics, the most powerful realms in mathematics, geometry, algebra, and arithmetic. If you don't know how to manipulate inequality, how to solve two-step inequalities back in middle school math, 7th grade, you're not able to answer the SAT question. This is the key. I hope that you like this video, and I hope that you redo this question as students, and I hope that you as a teacher also share this with your students who are taking or going to take the SAT 2024, because this is the way to train students to score more than 700. If you like the video, please give us a like, share this. Don't forget that we have a website, marreromath.com, and we also have newsletters. The second newsletter is already there. Click on in the description below, and you will access to both the website and the newsletter. And invite you to please watch the video more than once and try to collect the information that I have shared with you. The foundation in algebra, the geometry connection, and the manipulation of arithmetic. With these three elements, you will be successful and score more than 700 in the test, or your student will be scoring more than 700 in the test. Thank you. I see you in the next video.